Tesla vehicles may have free access to Wi-Fi hotspots soon. April 23, 2022. We have seen the rumors for a few months. But it looks like a new upcoming Tesla feature will be the ability to connect to public hotspots for free. Twitter user @analytic_eth tweeted out a quick thread on how to get access to the public hotspots. To get access, you will need Tesla to enable the feature on your car. Once that is done, your car generates a TPM-based private key for use on the Wi-Fi networks. Finally, you will need to select the relevant network, and your car will connect with the hotspot. As per the vehicle's firmware, it looks like Tesla vehicles will be able to connect to at least some of the following hotspots: Xfinity, AT&T Passport, Comcast, China Unicom, ChinaNet, KPN, Ziggo, Telecom, UPC, Orange, SFR, Telia. Tesla has not released a complete list or confirmed that the new feature even exists, let alone a launch date. This is an interesting addition to the vehicle, especially for those in the United States, China and Europe. Unfortunately, from the firmware, it does not appear that any of the big three telecoms in Canada have partnered with Tesla. However, this may change between now and the feature's launch. Source reposted and summarized from Scott Nordland at Drive Tesla Canada. My take sounds like a good plan. Not sure why this will be better than the internet my Tesla already has though. Tesla urges entrepreneurs to get into lithium mining business as margins are huge. April 23, 2022. Tesla urges entrepreneurs to enter the lithium mining business, bringing not only benefits to the world, but also enormous benefits to themselves. Elon Musk explained that for someone who likes to mint money, the lithium business will be ideal. During the Q1 2022 earnings call, many important issues were raised, including the supply of materials for the production of batteries. Although at the moment Tesla has several long-term contracts that provide supplies at affordable prices, sooner or later they will run out and the manufacturer will have to look for new ones. In a world where EVs have started to develop rapidly, it is getting more and more difficult, and the cost of materials will continue to rise. Tesla CEO Elon Musk explained that it is clear that the Earth needs batteries to move to sustainable energy faster. But cell output is a fundamental limiting factor. For now, the question is, at what rate can lithium-ion cells increase the gigawatt-hours per year? In response to this question, Musk said that will move as fast as the slowest, least lucky element of the whole supply chain, and today it is lithium. Although lithium is a very common element, it is not easy to extract and refine. He explained that you can get it with sludge or the clay. But for this, you need to go through a whole series of refinement steps. It needs a lot of industrial equipment to make lithium ore into lithium that can be used as lithium hydroxide or lithium carbonate in the battery cell. Musk said he encourages entrepreneurs who are looking for opportunities to get into the lithium business. He emphasized that the lithium margins right now are practically software margins. He pointed out that the spot lithium price is 10 times higher than the cost of extraction, which is an impressive difference and shows great potential. Musk said that those who enjoy minting money would make ideal entrepreneurs in the lithium mining business. Can more people please get into the lithium business? Do you like minting money? Well, the lithium business is for you. Source reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: every time Elon makes a call for action, the people listen. I'll bet there are a bunch of new people looking into this right now because of what he said. Tesla moves closer to investment grade rating with S&P. April 23, 2022. Tesla moved closer to the S&P Global's investment grade rating after reporting a strong first quarter with a solid financial balance sheet, especially in terms of free cash flow. While navigating tough macro conditions in the sector, S&P Global Ratings today said that Tesla's first quarter results ended March 31, 2022 indicate solid execution and prospects for robust free cash flow in 2022 amid supply disruptions. The organization wrote in a bulletin, Tesla's Q1 2022 earnings call took place on Wednesday, where CEO Elon Musk and other executives outlined the automaker's strongest performance in its short but storied history. Tesla posted over $18.7 billion in revenue, beating consensus estimates of $17.8 billion. It also beat EPS estimates of $2.27 by posting a nearly $1 beat at $3.22 per share. Perhaps the most impressive statistic of Tesla's quarterly breakdown on its shareholder deck was its ability to navigate through global supply chain issues and chip shortages. Two issues that have plagued many industries, with automotive being amongst the hardest hit. Tesla said challenges around supply chain have remained persistent, and our team has been navigating through them for over a year. In addition to chip shortages, recent COVID-19 outbreaks have been weighing on our supply chain and factory operations. Furthermore, prices of some raw materials have increased multiple-fold in recent months. The inflationary impact on our cost structure has contributed to adjustments in our product pricing. Despite a continued focus on reducing our manufacturing costs where possible. Despite the challenges, Tesla's automotive division performed well above expectations by delivering 310,048 vehicles in Q1. A new company record. Its largest contributors to revenue generation were growth in vehicle deliveries, increased average selling price, and growth in other parts of Tesla's business. Its performance in Q1 has the S&P nearly ready to promote the company's stock to an investment grade rating. In October, the organization upgraded Tesla to a BB+ rating. But as the industry continues to expand, the company holds a competitive advantage. Tesla will have to improve one level, from BB+ to BBB, to be considered investment grade by the S&P Global standards. At this stage, Tesla appears to be in a very strong position relative to its competitors to raise its cell capacity and complete the ramp-up of its production to meet demand. The S&P Global Ratings wrote, specifically, "We believe the electric vehicle maker is on track to increase its annual vehicle deliveries toward our forecast of roughly 1.5 million over the next 12 months. Which follows its delivery of 936,000 vehicles in 2021 and over 310,000 in the first quarter of 2022. While competition is increasing with numerous launches of new EV models. We recently increased our EV penetration to reach 15%-25% of the global fleet by 2025. Which should support Tesla's ability to increase sales of its vehicles." Source reposted and summarized from Joe E. Klender at Tesla RT. My take: once Tesla is rated as investment grade, it allows a number of funds to then pile on. Also, a number of retail investors will not buy anything but investment grade stocks. Giga Shanghai is back to ramping production quickly. April 23, 2022. After a 3-week shutdown at Tesla's Giga Shanghai in China, production is ramping back up in a big way. This comes as no surprise thanks to the factory's successful ramps in the past. And Tesla's need to make up for a notable chunk of lost production. Keep in mind that the factory pause not only impacted local Tesla deliveries in China, but also deliveries across the globe, since the China factory is Tesla's primary export hub. As noted by our friends at Tesla RT, CEO Elon Musk said on the recent Q1 2022 Tesla investors conference call that production at Giga Shanghai is coming back with a vengeance. Tesla just reopened the factory on Monday, April 18, 2022, though, reportedly, production didn't start immediately. Instead, the company was making preparations to begin a closed-loop factory setup, where employees would temporarily eat and sleep at the factory. The automaker reportedly started with just a single shift, though it's longer and runs for more days than the factory's usual situation. While Giga Shanghai typically runs 24 hours per day with 3 shifts on a 4 days on 2 days off schedule. Production started this week with single 12-hour shifts running 6 days on with 1 day off. Various local media outlets also reported that the lots were filling up, and even showed car carriers transporting Tesla's vehicles away from the factory. So we can only assume that the images are current. Source reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS. My take: it's going to take a bit of time to get back to where they were before the shutdown.